Molly Chantel from VivaLaVegan.net, and today I'm here with Santi from the Indonesian Vegetarian Society.
Ya, jadi kita sedang bersama Miss Lei Chantil yang dari Viva La Vegan dan saya sendiri dari IVS. Kita akan membuat makanan vegan hari ini.
And IVS and Viva La Vegan are working today to show you in English as well as Indonesian.
Ya, jadi pada hari ini kita akan bekerja sama untuk membuat makanan dalam dua bahasa.
How to make an apple muffins.
Ya, jadi hari ini kita akan membuat apple muffin vegan.
And what we've got some flour over here.
Jadi kita akan menggunakan tepung terigu serbaguna di sini.
We also have baking powder and baking soda.
Kita akan menggunakan baking powder dan baking soda di sini.
We have a little bit of salt.
Dengan menggunakan sedikit garam.
And we have some apples that we have actually peeled and boiled and then made them into a bit of a mush.
Ya, jadi kalau ini adalah apel, ini sekitar jumlahnya how much apple you use?
We used about 6 apples.
Ada sekitar 6 apel yang kita kupas dan setelah itu kita rebus. Setelah itu kita hancurkan, jadi bentuknya seperti ini.
We also have some sugar.
Yang kita akan pakai gula pasir.
And we have some oil, so we're using some olive oil today.
Jadi kita akan menggunakan olive oil.
Also have some vanilla extract.
Kita akan menggunakan vanilla extract.
And we're going to use some cinnamon also.
Dan kita akan menggunakan sedikit cinnamon. Kayu manis ya.
Now this is a recipe that's not my own, it's someone else's, so you can have a look at the recipe link down below.
Ya, jadi ini bukan resep yang beliau ciptakan sendiri, ini resepnya beliau peroleh dari teman-teman.
And we've preheated the oven already, so it's 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 180 degrees Celsius.
Ya, jadi kita sudah hangatkan ovennya itu dengan suhu sekitar 180 derajat Celcius.
And we have a muffin pan with muffin patty.
Ya,
already.
Jadi kita punya di sini tatakan muffin dengan ukuran yang disesuaikan ya. Jadi seperti ini.
Now, what we're going to do is put 1.5 cups of flour in the bowl first.
1,5 gelas. 1,5 gelas tepung terigu.
That's 1.
1,5 gelas tepung terigu.
1/2. And we're going to add the baking soda and the baking powder, and we've got 1 teaspoon of each of those.
Ya, jadi kita akan pakai 1 sendok teh baking soda dan baking powder.
Just be careful you don't get the lumpy bits.
Jadi pastikan Anda tidak mengambil bongkahan-bongkahan yang ada di sana ya.
And we're going to put the salt.
Kita tambahkan sedikit garam, tidak terlalu banyak. 1 cubitan kecil.
And we're going to put that in one spot.
Ya, masukkan ke dalam satu wadah.
I might actually put that in a smaller bowl. Because then in another bowl, we're going to combine the apples. And I'm not sure how much we're going to use yet, but I think at the moment we're going to use 2 cups.
Oke, jadi kita agak pakai kira-kira karena ini juga eksperimen pertama. Kita pakai 2 gelas apel, cairan apel tadi.
And we've got 1/2 cup of sugar
dan setengah gelas gula pasir.
Putting that in there. And the vanilla
extract,
which is 1 teaspoon also.
1 sendok teh vanilla extract. Ya.
And then we're just going to mix that all together first.
Ya, campurkan semuanya.
And then we're going to fold in this mixture.
Ya, kita gabungkan dengan tepung yang sudah tadi kita campurkan dengan baking soda dan baking powder. Aduk sampai merata ya. Perlahan-lahan masuknya.
You can also make this with pears, with bananas.
Ya, kita bisa buat ini selain dengan apel, kita bisa buat dengan pisang. Tapi konsepnya sama, pisangnya kita cuci, lalu setelah itu kita potong-potong, kita rebus dan kita jus ya, kita blender.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be as smooth as that actually. You can still keep pieces. You could even just mash it.
Oke. Tidak harus sehalus ini, bisa juga kita hanya hancurkan saja. Jadi kita apa ya? Kita hancur-hancurkan saja, tidak perlu di jus.
So we're just going to make sure everything's mixed through properly.
Ya, jadi kita harus pastikan semuanya tercampur dengan sempurna.
And we might just add a bit more flour into that.
Ya, kita bisa tambahkan sedikit karena tampaknya belum terlalu kental.
Even a bit more, please, Santi.
Ya, oke. Let's see.
Yeah. And then what we're going to do
Dan selanjutnya
get a little spoon.
ya, kita menggunakan sendok ya.
In our muffin tins, we're going to just pour the mixture. And I think we'll put maybe 3 spoonfuls in each muffin because that will actually expand as well.
Jadi kita menggunakan sendok kira-kira sekitar 3 sendok yang kita masukkan atau mungkin 2 sendok besar karena dia nantinya akan mengembang ya ke dalam cetakan muffin yang telah kita sediakan.
I'm just going to put 2 in each and make sure it spreads out to all the muffins, and then I'll put a third if we have enough mixture. Yeah, probably 2 each would work out the best.
Maybe because it's growing also.
So this will make 12 muffins all up.
Ya, jadi biasanya satu resep ini untuk membuat 12 muffin ya.
I can just get the rest of that too.
And the last one.
I can get one of my helpers to lick the bowl. And also what I would do is just mix a bit of the apple sauce. So we're going to get, say, 2 tablespoons full of apple.
Ya, jadi kita akan membuat sedikit hiasan di atasnya. Jadi menggunakan 2 sendok makan adonan ini apel.
Maybe about a tablespoonful of cinnamon.
Ya, jadi 1 sendok makan cinnamon, kayu manis, bubuk kayu manis,
and a couple of tablespoons of sugar.
1 sendok makan gula pasir.
And we're just going to combine that all together.
Ya, kita kombinasikan, kita aduk.
Like so. And then just put a tiny bit on top of each.
Ya, dan kita letakkan sedikit di atas adonan kita.
And this will give it a bit of a sugar taste on top and cinnamon as well. You can also put a bit of cinnamon into the actual muffin if you like.
Jadi ini akan memberikan sedikit rasa yang unik, rasa kayu manis di setiap muffin di atasnya. Atau kita bisa juga campurkan kayu manis di dalam adonan muffin kita.
Try and do it a bit neater than I have.
Yeah. Okay.
And then we'll tidy that up a bit and we'll put it in the oven, and that will bake for about 20 to 25 minutes.
Ya, jadi sekarang adonan kita sudah siap untuk kita bakar sekitar 20 sampai 25 menit.